Hi, I'm David from Kramer Mazda. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2023 Mazda CX-5 in the GT Sports package. It is equipped with a 2.5-liter i-Activ G high compression ratio turbo engine, paired with a 6-speed transmission that puts out 250 horsepower and 320 foot-pounds of torque. This sports trim will give you the black 19-inch wheels, black grille, and black side mirrors, as well as the glossy black trim along the sides of the vehicle. Inside, you will notice the expertly appointed cabin with leather upholstery and soft touch material surround that gives this compact SUV a premium upscale feel. The CX-5 comes with a 10.25-inch high-resolution display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with dual climate control that will enable the driver and passenger to select their own comfort level. Cooling and heated front seats and steering wheel, a wireless phone charger, home link system for your garage, and heated back seats for your passenger's comfort. In the GT trim, you will also get a premium surround sound with the strategically placed 10-speaker Bose audio system, including a power subwoofer. The CX-5 also has a ton of advanced safety features, such as heads-up display with sign recognition, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning and assist, and rear cross-traffic alert, to name a few. All 2023 Mazda CX-5 models are equipped with our Mazda Connect system, so you can monitor your vehicle all on your smartphone. The app includes remote start, GPS tracking, unlock your doors, and it sends you notifications as well. Mazda's proprietary i-Activ technology that will enhance your driving experience by providing you with a sense of one with your vehicle, and by designing a vehicle that is safe, fun to drive, and better for the environment. All this is backed by Mazda's unlimited kilometer warranty. Come down and check out the CX-5 at Kramer Mazda here in Calgary.